What's good, YouTube? It's your boy OD again, back from Mad Trucks. Today we're gonna be unboxing this KC Stage 2 Turbo. So yes, it's a beautiful day. I haven't even opened the box yet. I don't know what it looks like inside, so I figured I would do it on camera. As some of you may know, if you've seen my other video on my F250 that is getting the Kill Devil diesel engine installed, I had some minor issues with that engine. I contacted Kill Devil and I put up a video about the issues that was happening with it. I contacted Kill Devil. They've been great. They're building me a new engine and they're gonna be sending that one out soon. So I figured in the meantime, I'll take advantage of this because I didn't plan on putting a new turbo on when I put the Kill Devil in originally, but I decided like, might as well do it now. This is the best time. So I went with the KC. I did a lot of research on turbos. The turbo I have in there right now is a Garrett Power Max, which is like a 1.5. It's great, it's good, but I feel like with all these upgrades I'm doing on the Kill Devil diesel engine, I need to get a little bit more out of the turbo. So all the research I've done, this KC Stage 2 gets a lot of good reviews. So without further ado, let's get into this. As I said, I have not opened it yet. Box looks good though. And I did order this from KC Turbos and it came pretty fast. Their shipping is great. So let's see what we got in the box. Packing's good. Got some KC Turbo stickers. I might have to use those. Paperwork, 2004 plus Stage 2 standard cover. I did not get a polished one or anything like that. Here, let me put this down and get this thing on the table. All right, here we are. Nice plastic. Don't want to get this all over the place. But look at that. Look at that turbo. Okay, look at that. Look at that. So lovely. Can't wait to get this baby on. Let's check out. Let me go ahead and see if I can get to the other side. Because another difference about this is made based on the 2003 turbos. So it has the 10 blade, I believe. The 10 blade. And I forget how many the 05s and up have. But I know the 03s and 04s had less blades, which makes it whistle a little louder and spool up faster, supposedly, allegedly. But this is made from a brand new Garrett, I believe. Yeah, brand new Garrett 2003. It's nice. Very nice. Let's see. Pop these protection. Can't really see nothing in there. So let me see if I can get to the bottom and look at the blade, the 10 blades, without making a fat mess. Turn him over. Ooh, that's a oily mess. Pop these off. I guess I got to keep it oiled up so it don't rust out. Yeah. So you can see there it is right there. So how many blades? That's 3, 6, 9. Yeah, 10 blades. So supposedly you'll spool nicely and start whistling nicely. But yeah, nothing much more to see than that. I just wanted to give you a quick little show, that KC Turbo. Can't wait to get this baby on at 2005, the big dog on 40s, and we'll see how this baby runs. But until next time, it's your boy OD from Mad Trucks. I'm out.